Hello everyone, I will tell you the EQ2082 tarp canopy pole installation process. First of all, we need to install 3 curved poles in order. The one mounted at the front is the shortest, with the crossbar socket at the top facing inward. The middle crossbar has a crossbar socket on both sides. The last curved bar has a crossbar socket facing inward. Insert the curved bars in position according to the location of the slots on the side panels of the cargo box. Then we start to install the crossbar. All you need to do is squeeze your hand tightly to draw inwards, and this latch is exposed, which is of the same length. It can be fixed on both sides. After installing the poles, we need to install the tarpaulin. There are 3 tarpaulins in total. The tarpaulin at the front has a small window, which can be used to communicate with people inside the cab. The largest piece can be used to cover the entire cargo box. The inside of the tarpaulin has small straps to secure the tarpaulin to the poles, and the sides of large tarp with loops are the sides. And the other one is mounted at the end to act as the door. Finally, we fix the tarpaulin lanyard on the outside of the cargo to avoid the cargo inside of the box from getting wet when it rains. The whole car is installed. If you are interested in this vehicle, please contact us.